Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit TikTok videos in PC with filters. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, log into your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on this upload button which is on the top right corner of your screen. You will be redirected to the TikTok studio. Just upload the video that you want to edit with filters. For example, I want to upload this video and wait for the upload to be completed. After the uploads have been finished, all you gotta do is click on edit videos and click on templates and choose the filter that you want to add. That's how you can add template or videos. That's how you can add filters on your TikTok videos. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.